Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken stock for soup dumplings. First, gather your chicken bones, aiming for a good mix of parts like backs, necks, and wings. These provide the collagen needed for a rich, gelatinous stock. Next, prepare your aromatic vegetables, roughly chop carrots, celery, and onions. These foundational ingredients are key to building a deep, savory base for your delicious soup dumplings. Now, let's get everything into the pot. Start by adding approximately 3 pounds of chicken bones. Then, incorporate your roughly chopped aromatics, 1 large onion, 2 carrots, and 2 celery stalks. For an extra layer of flavor, toss in a few sprigs of fresh parsley, 1 bay leaf, and about 10 whole black peppercorns. These simple additions will elevate your stock significantly. Quick recommendation: after all that cooking, who wants to clean? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making kitchen cleanup a breeze. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. You can find the link for the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Once all your ingredients are in the pot, cover them with cold water, ensuring it extends about 2 inches above the solids. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer. This slow cooking process is crucial. Remember to periodically skim off any foam or impurities that rise, keeping your stock clear and clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.